Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed business manager. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook identity confirmation failed business manager, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, sorry for that mistake. When you will see this list, you will go down to enter here for Facebook. Then in this page, you will go to click for stop. After that, you will go to click storage. And then in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.